Hi, I'm Sandy with HomeShowGardenPros. We've got an issue. My poor neighbor has a city leak underneath her driveway, and this water has been flowing out of here for the last 24 hours. Now it's going out into the street, but it's also filling up this side yard, which after the repair has taken place, we'll fill in with topsoil to take care of these low spots that are filling up with water. But in the meantime, let's gather some of this water that is being otherwise wasted down into the city drains. They sell these great little water pumps. And basically you unpack it, you hook up your hose. I have these two bricks here to sort of dam it up so that the pump has a little bit more opportunity to gather up the water. You hook it up to a sprinkler. You go to your front door or wherever you're going to plug it in. You plug it in and you can move this sprinkler all around your yard to take advantage of this water that would otherwise be wasted.